Hey fellow wanderers, welcome back to Tripinn, where we uncover the world's most captivating travel secrets. If you're ready to dive into the hidden side of Las Vegas, you're in for a treat. Today, we'll be exploring the enchanting corners of this dazzling city that often go unnoticed. From quirky local eats to artistic havens, we'll show you the places that reveal the heart and soul of Las Vegas. So before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring that bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us continue bringing you the best travel content. Today, we're stepping off the bustling Las Vegas Strip to discover some of the city's best-kept secrets, hidden gems that are waiting to be explored. Let's dive into the enchanting side of Las Vegas. First up, we have the Neon Boneyard. This iconic outdoor museum showcases vintage neon signs that once illuminated the Las Vegas skyline. Stroll through this nostalgic graveyard of signs and snap photos of history while learning about the stories behind each glowing relic. It's a brilliant homage to the city's vibrant past. Now, let's venture into the Pinball Hall of Fame. This hidden gem is a paradise for pinball enthusiasts, featuring a massive collection of vintage and modern pinball machines. Pay a small fee to play, and you'll feel like a kid again while discovering the history of this classic arcade game. Who knew nostalgia could be so much fun? Next, let's immerse ourselves in the Arts District, a creative hub bursting with murals, galleries, and local boutiques. Take a leisurely stroll through this vibrant neighborhood where you can find incredible street art and even participate in art walks that showcase local talent. Each corner you turn reveals a masterpiece waiting to be discovered. As we continue our journey, prepare to be amazed at the Las Vegas Natural History Museum, a treasure trove of fascinating exhibits. From dinosaur skeletons to ancient Egyptian artifacts, this museum offers an engaging journey through time and nature, making it a perfect stop for families and history buffs alike. It's a captivating adventure for curious minds. Now, let's satisfy those taste buds with a visit to Secret Pizza. Tucked away in an unmarked location, this hidden pizzeria serves some of the best slices in town. With its delicious crust and mouth-watering toppings, you'll wonder how you ever missed this culinary treasure. Each bite is a delicious secret worth uncovering. Next on our list is the Downtown Container Park, an innovative shopping and dining destination made from repurposed shipping containers. Explore unique boutiques, savor gourmet food from local vendors, and relax in the outdoor space while enjoying live entertainment. It's a vibrant community hub that bursts with creativity. Now, indulge your sweet tooth at Ethel Chocolate Factory. Take a free self-guided tour to see how artisanal chocolates are made, and don't forget to sample their famous pralines. It's a chocolate lover's paradise. As we explore further, nature lovers will enjoy the Las Vegas Springs Preserve, a beautiful oasis that showcases the desert's natural beauty. Explore the miles of walking trails, botanical gardens, and fascinating exhibits about the area's history and ecology. It's a peaceful escape where you can reconnect with nature. Now, for a touch of culture, let's visit the Smith Center for the Performing Arts. This stunning venue hosts Broadway shows, concerts, and other performances. Even if you can't catch a show, the architecture alone is worth a visit. It's a cultural landmark that adds a splash of elegance to the city. Finally, let's unwind at the Secret Garden and Dolphin Habitat at the Mirage. This serene retreat features beautiful gardens and a variety of exotic animals, including dolphins. It's a tranquil escape from the busy city and a great spot for animal lovers. Get ready for an unforgettable experience with these majestic creatures. And there you have it, 10 hidden gems in Las Vegas that unveil the city's lesser-known wonders. From captivating art districts to delicious culinary secrets, each of these spots invites you to experience the authentic side of Sin City. So, the next time you find yourself in Las Vegas, don't just stick to the Strip. Explore these enchanting locations and create unforgettable memories. If you loved this journey into Las Vegas's hidden treasures, be sure to give us a thumbs up and share your favorite hidden gems in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're always updated on our latest adventures. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring and remember, adventure awaits just around the corner.